my own, but I couldn't find. Then I just, one day I found one, like a pharmacovigilance webinar on Facebook. And then I contacted Abhishek that what is it? And honestly, it was a free webinar. So I thought, okay, let's join it. And then he said me that actually, I really like the process here when he said to me that we have a module that will cover all the parts of drug safety. And then they have marketing team and they have everything to guide you. At least he will take you to the door. Getting clear is on your own, but he will take you to the door over there. So I was really convinced at that point. I think now this is the proper channel, because honestly, on my own, I tried a good 2 years. Initially, when we came here in US 2013, I was looking for that and I couldn't do it. I was searching everything on the Google, YouTube and I was getting everything, but I was not getting what the real thing I needed for the course and all. So, but that time I was not ready to get any like mentorship or anything. So then when I got to him and I was really convinced the format was, so I said, okay, I'm taking on this. And then I came here and I did the course, I did everything and got the job.